Tired of lag ruining your game? Let's get your PS5 connected to Xfinity Wi-Fi in under 2 minutes. First things first, power on your PlayStation 5 and navigate to the settings menu. It's usually found at the top right corner of your home screen, symbolized by a gear icon. Once you're in settings, scroll down and select network. This section handles all your internet connection settings. In the network menu, you will see several options. Select set up internet connection. Now, you'll be presented with 2 options. Use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable. Since we're connecting to Xfinity Wi-Fi, choose Use Wi-Fi. Your PS5 will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Find your Xfinity Wi-Fi network from the list. It's probably named Xfinity or something similar, maybe with a number at the end. Select your network. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to carefully type in the password for your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check what you entered. After entering your password, select OK. Your PS5 will then attempt to connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi. A connection test will run automatically to verify the connection. If the connection test is successful, you're all set. You should now be connected to Xfinity Wi-Fi on your PS5. Enjoy lag-free gaming. If it fails, double-check your password and try again.